Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're blending up the top 7 best all-arounder blenders. Machines that can crush ice, make smoothies, blend soups, and even tackle nut butter. Whether you're a fitness lover or a home chef, these blenders deliver serious performance for every kitchen. For those on a budget but still wanting a reliable performer, the Hamilton Beach 58148A is your best bet. It's compact, easy to use, and great for everyday smoothies and shakes. Pros: 12 blending functions, dishwasher-safe jar, affordable price. Cons: not ideal for heavy ice or nut butters. Why on the list? A dependable starter blender that punches above its price range. The NutriBullet Combo bridges the gap between personal and full-size blenders. With multiple jar sizes and a powerful motor, it's perfect for smoothies, sauces, and light soups. Pros: 1200-watt motor, multiple jar sizes, easy to clean. Cons: can struggle with very thick blends. Why on the list? A versatile pick for everyday users who want simplicity and power. The Ninja BL660 is a classic workhorse. It's got power, capacity, and a proven track record for crushing ice and blending smoothies with ease. Pros: 1100-watt motor, large 72-ounce pitcher, dishwasher safe. Cons: a bit noisy. Blades can be tricky to clean. Why on the list? A best-selling all-arounder that blends everything from ice to greens. If you care about performance and design, the Breville Fresh Furious blends them beautifully, pun intended. It's sleek, quiet, and efficient for everything from smoothies to soups. Pros: quiet operation, great preset functions, high build quality. Cons: not ideal for nut butter. Why on the list? It's perfect for those who want pro-level performance without the bulk. The Ninja BN701 steps it up with more power and smart auto IQ technology. It's a great pick for families who need consistent blending every day. Pros: 1400-watt motor, large 72-ounce capacity, auto IQ presets. Cons: blades require manual cleaning. Why on the list? Smart, strong, and efficient. It's the perfect family blender. The Vitamix 5200 is a legend, used by chefs and home cooks alike. It blends hot soups, nut butters, and frozen desserts with total control. Pros: 2 HP motor, manual variable control, long lifespan. Cons: tall design may not fit under some cabinets. Why on the list? Still the benchmark for performance and reliability after all these years. If you want the ultimate all-rounder, the Vitamix Propel 750 stands on top. It can handle everything from smoothies to nut butter, hot soups, and frozen desserts. Pros: powerful 2.2 HP motor, 5 pre-programmed settings, stainless steel blades, self-cleaning. Cons: pricey, a bit loud. Why on the list? It's the gold standard for versatility and durability. Before you hit that buy button, here are 5 quick blender tips. 1. At least 1000-watt power for ice or nut butter. 2. Look for sturdy jars and blades. 3. Go for easy cleaning, self-clean or dishwasher safe. 4. Don't overlook noise and height. 5. Always check warranty. Vitamix leads here. All Amazon links are below. Check prices and latest deals. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and keep blending strong.